Are you ready to take control of your finances and transform your life? Financial freedom in 21 days. Courage and charity combined is your step-by-step guide to lasting financial independence. Too often we feel trapped by debt, financial stress, or the fear of not having enough. But what if the key to prosperity was more than just saving? It was courage and charity working together. In Financial Freedom in 21 Days, Courage and Charity Combined, you'll embark on a transformative 21-day journey. Starting with the Golden Rule economy, you'll learn how to conquer financial fears, grow your wealth, and use charity as a powerful tool for personal success. Discover simple yet effective methods to double your funds, overcome financial roadblocks, and connect with a supportive network to sustain your success. This isn't just about money, it's about building a life of purpose, confidence, and generosity. Imagine a life where you're not just financially free, but also lifting others through your generosity. With real-life stories and faith-driven guidance, this audiobook empowers you to make sound financial decisions and leave a legacy of courage and kindness. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. Visit teamcourage.org to purchase Financial Freedom in 21 days, courage and charity combined, and take the first step toward prosperity, purpose, and confidence. Team Courage, empowering lives through faith, courage, and service.